Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Polar H10 to a watch. First, ensure your Polar H10 heart rate sensor is fully charged. A full charge typically provides up to 400 hours of training time. Next, make sure your watch is also adequately charged and ready for pairing. Having both devices powered up is crucial for a smooth connection process. This initial preparation saves time and prevents interruptions during your workout. To begin pairing, first put on your Polar H10 sensor, ensuring the electrodes are moistened for optimal contact. Then, on your watch, navigate to its settings menu. Look for options like Bluetooth, sensors, or connectivity. Once there, select Pair New Device or Add Sensor. Your watch will then begin searching for available heart rate monitors. Keep your watch within a few feet of your Polar H10 for the best connection. Once your watch detects the Polar H10, it will appear in a list of available devices. Select your Polar H10, which usually has a unique identification number, to establish the connection. Your watch should then display a confirmation message indicating successful pairing. Immediately after, you should see your real-time heart rate data appearing on your watch screen, typically within a few seconds. This confirms your devices are communicating effectively. If you encounter any issues, first double-check that Bluetooth is active on both your watch and the Polar H10. Proximity is key, so keep the devices within 1 meter of each other during the pairing process. A simple restart of both your watch and the Polar H10 can often resolve minor connectivity glitches. Additionally, regularly updating the firmware on both devices ensures you have the latest features and bug fixes, leading to a more reliable connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.